This is my honest review of the USA loaf pan. I was looking for one that was non-stick but still heavy duty because I teach sourdough baking, and I found the USA pan and I've used them ever since. So I love the fact that it's non-stick and doesn't chip at all, and that it has these great ridges because these ridges allow for airflow. It bakes up the crust nice and crusty for me. When I put my dough in there, I do let it cover it for 20 minutes and uncover it for 20 minutes. The great thing is these can bake at 450 degrees, which makes them great for breads because you need that high heat for sourdough to make it work. And this pan allows you to do that. I also love it for sticky breads like banana bread because it doesn't stick and I can take it right out, and it makes it for easy cleanup. Because if nothing's sticking, then I can just use soap and water to clean it and let it drain out, and it's ready to use again. So the heat distribution is great, and it's really sturdy. So I've had some bread pans in the past that were not quite as sturdy, and I like this size and this sturdiness. This is the size large. I also have the smaller size, and you can see I have mine loaded with some sourdough in there. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator overnight. The pan can go in the refrigerator and come right out into the oven for me, which is a great feature because I do a lot of baking. I think this is a great purchase.